Mrs. Chef, what do we win here?
Bunch of good food.
We want a raffle. I'm trying to see what all is in this raffle. You know the chef sure is hungry. I'm here at Buc-ee's. I might as well just go in there and get some damn beaver nuggets for my funky ass.
Now today,
we got some iconic pop protein crisp. What flavor is this one? Nacho cheese. That sounds good. Barbecue. I like to barbecue your ass in molasses. Ooh, Mr. Chef, you're gonna like this. Jim's Organic French Roast.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta smell coffee. What else we got here? Ooh, we got some Spice Works taco seasoning. I know the chef will like that. We can make some tacos next week. Let's see, we got some West Oak Bookish Blend El Salvadorian Ethiopia coffee. You got more coffee, Mrs. Chef. Ooh, what do we got here? Some kind of nuts. Looks like cashews. Texas collection. Barbecue dry rub. Eating some of that. What we got here? Oh, we got some protein popcorn. Very awesome. Dark chocolate and sea salt. Mrs. Chef, you're gonna like that. You like your dark chocolate and sea salt. Alright, here what we got here. Here we got Southwest Soul Coffee Rubs. So we'll use that on some meat coming up. Should be good. That's a pretty cool gift basket, Mrs. Chef. Okay, here we got some ginger goddess cashew. Aromatic ginger, simply divine. Okay, what we got over here? We got some more protein popcorn. Cotton Candy Crunch. Over here we got sour wheat beer. Blended with real pickle juice from Texas.
So it's beer?
It's beer.
Oh, I thought it was like...
It's made by Tito's.
What if you wouldn't have been old enough to drink?
Well, I guess you wouldn't have won the contest.
Did it say you
Then I got a beer book and a Home is Where the Wine is Waiting book. Okay. Check into that. And then I think that's about it. A couple koozies. Ooh, that does look good. Oh, we got a Blue Bunny water bottle. And koozies here, Deep Ellum Brewing Company. Alright, that's the end of the package. That's a lot of good stuff. We'll definitely feature some of this spice blends and all on some future episodes.
They would keep it for themselves.
Mrs. Chef,
They keep it.
my barbecue nuts are spicy. These are spicy with ginger, Mrs. Chef.
Yeah, they've got, like, you're not expecting that.
Yeah, they're sweet, but they've got a spice of like ginger spice. Bite. But not from pepper. Well, I'm here in Denison, Texas, and came across this place here, Main Street Motors. Classic Foreman Street rods, especially vehicles. But check out some of these cars in here. Pretty sweet rides. Fishman now. What actually really caught my attention here was this Maxwell Smart phone booth. Anyway, I came to Denison to eat dinner at the North Rig. Pretty delicious place to eat, and just thought I'd show you around. Now it's 38 degrees, and I don't have a coat, so I'm not gonna film much tonight, but I thought I'd show you the nighttime here in Denison a little bit. Anyway, this place has a super cool downtown area. One big long downtown strip.
His first song, my favorite song.
So it's time to try this here pickle fucker beer. Sour pickle beer. It smells like sour pickles in Bourbon Street. Let's see what she tastes like.
Juice beer. Is that what it's called? Prickly. Oh, wait. It's pretty different.
That's different. Tastes like sour pickle.
Pickle.
I can't decide if I like it or hate it. So I drink some of this here pickle fucker, and if you were to get drunk, I drink one bottle of it, and it comes in a 4-pack. Now if you were to get drunk off this stuff, you'd probably be embalmed. It's got so much salt and so much, I don't know what the hell's in here, but you'd probably be embalmed.